Hello everyone, this is an audio poll from my side to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank you all for subscribing to my channel IoT with me. The only motto to start this platform is to share knowledge with you and help you all. So today I have a question that I want to ask from you so that I could know that in what way you want me to help you guys and help students who want to get started with IoT projects. So my question is whether you want me to make a separate UDEMY course for getting started, or you want me to put series of YouTube videos that would help students, or you want me to continue to put valuable essentials on my posts on LinkedIn. So please let me know what you want and I'll work accordingly in the same direction. Thank you for supporting me, and please stay tuned with me so that you could learn and take the maximum from my knowledge. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Do comment below to let me know what you want from me. Thank you.